It's December 9th, and today we're talking about Xpose Salon. So Xpose is located on Terminal Ave in Nanaimo. They have a beautiful salon where they do a variety of different services. If you haven't entered our giveaway yet, Xpose is giving away an advanced at-home teeth whitening kit. So this is going to come with your whitening gel, the whitening light, a travel case, and then a shade guide as well. These are very hot commodities, so whoever wins this one is going to be incredibly lucky. So head over to our Instagram and our Facebook page and get entering on that one, because that's going to be a great prize. So thank you very much to Xpose for donating that. So a little bit about the salon. It is owned by a lady named Rochelle McMahon, who's actually my hairstylist. I went and got my hair done yesterday. It's very silky and luscious, so thank you very much, Rochelle. I'm in love with it. You did a fantastic job. So as well as hairstyling, hair coloring, they also do hair extensions, a variety of different lash services, including lash extensions, lash lifting, lash tinting, brow lamination, nails as well. I believe they do acrylics and gel. And then they also have a service that'll come in, I believe it's once a month, to do Botox and fillers. So make sure you go onto their website at xposesalon.ca and have a look at the different services that they provide. You can also shop all of their product line on their website as well. You can do in-store pickup, and then they also have a website that you can go to directly from their site that you can order any of the products and have them shipped directly to your house. So they have a large variety of different skincare, hair products, cosmetics, hair tools, accessories, everything. Anything you could ever think of is on there. So head to xposesalon.ca. Directly from their Instagram, you can actually also shop as well as book any appointments or for any of their services. So definitely go and take a look. I personally have been going to Xpose Salon for about a year now. I did one treatment when I was blonde, and then I went back to brunette, and I can't say enough great things about Rochelle. I think what I really like that I maybe haven't seen previously other times that I've gotten my hair done in other salons is Rochelle is really great at asking you, all of these really important questions, which gets her a better idea of who you are, how you take care of your hair, how you do your hair. So for instance, the first time that I went, Rochelle asked me tons of things. How do you wash your hair? Show me how you do it. What products do you use? At what time do you use those products? When you blow dry your hair or let it air dry, what do you do? What kind of brush do you use? What are you putting in after? What are you doing before you go to sleep? How are you sleeping on your hair? What kind of pillowcase do you have? All of these different things so that Rochelle could get a better idea of who I am, what kind of lifestyle I live, and what I do with my hair. I must admit I don't know a lot about hair or what needs to be done, and Rochelle has really taught me a lot about the things that I need to do in order to maintain my healthy hairstyle. And obviously trying to be cost effective, I think Rochelle's really great, and I know the other girls in her salon are great at this as well, is that they're happy to offer products, but they're not about the hard sell. They're not forcing you to buy a product from them, but if you enjoy one of their products, they have it available to you, but they also have a variety of different options that'll work and fit within your price range, which I know is important for me because I want to have beautiful looking hair, but I want to do it on a low budget. So that's the great thing that I've loved about Rochelle is she has a variety of different options depending on what your lifestyle is and to suit your budget as well. So not to mention, your hair looks fantastic. I will say, since I have gotten my hair done at Rochelle, I have gotten the incredible amount of compliments, which I didn't always see before. So I've been very happy going to her. I know when I go and see Rochelle, and I'm sure this is the same for any of her other stylists, that you feel important. You feel like you're their only client and that you're special. So that being said, we're very happy to have Xpose Salon as part of our giveaway. Again, they're local and they're owned by local. Rochelle has a family. She lives and works in our community. So please go and support Xpose. I couldn't say enough great things, and I'm sure that the rest of their clients can as well. So thank you again for participating in the giveaway. Happy holidays, and we'll see you tomorrow.